She got me doing this ghetto stuff.
It's not ghetto.
We about to shoot.
You about to leave, so you have to learn. You have to learn how to protect
this
yourself.
This is what she want me to leave with.
Yes.
Learn how to shoot.
How to bust a cap in the motherfucker ass.
No. we can. Oh.
That has the safety on there, scared
It better have this. You an assassin.
You going first.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know. Ever since you got with Terrell, you've been a different woman.
You're going to have to pay for it. If you shoot this off, you got to pay for this. This
so
whole
just stay down here.
thing. So your target is, this what you want to hit right here.
Oh, at the stomach?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's why I got this one. Because I always go right there.
Why?
Headshot. Headshot done. No need for extra. But this what you want to hit. All this is fine. You want to stay from up here because you don't want to make a mistake and hit that. So this is your target right here.
You gonna help me though?
You never put your hand on the trigger. So when you get it, you hold it like this.
Like
you see it like your hand.
Don't put it
take this and you grip it like
on the same damn hole.
Like bow, bitch. Like,
okay.
Stick 'em up, bitch.
Okay, hold it.
Don't put my hand on the trigger.
No. This needs to be up. Okay. Like this. And then you grab it tight. Like this. Tight. When you're ready, take this finger, put it on the trigger, and then you but listen, you can't be jumping.
Okay.
Calm down. Breathe. Exhale, exhale. You have to relax. You have to relax. And then hit your target. See this line right here? This. Line it up to where you want to shoot it. And then you pull. Squeeze the trigger. It's not it's still on safety right now. So when I'm gonna take it off of safety when you completely ready.
So you said
First of all, lock your shoulders up. Lock it up. Like that. Yep. And you hit. You line it up. Because that's where it's at. It's like right here.
Not in my view.
Well, in your view, whatever your view is.
Oh, okay.
Straight.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So lock it up. Hold this has to be tight.
Like hold it tight.
Tight. Yep. And then when you're ready, you take this finger and put it on the trigger and you squeeze.
My first one?
Where you comfortable?
All right, I think just shoot one.
Just shoot one.
One.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
You shoot. No, you're not, because your knees buckled.
Okay.
Then you gotta be. No. Stand up. You gotta be firm. It's better if you like this. With your leg in the back.
Don't block the camera now.
I ain't blocking the camera. Alright, you ready?
Like this?
Yeah, however you standing comfortably.
Okay.
You comfortable?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off for safety.
Okay.
One shot.
It's not gonna come back on me.
No.
It's one shot. You can't jump like that. You cannot Look at
Where did it go?
it went back there.
Are y'all sure? Is everybody over there? Are y'all okay?
This way.
Okay, don't jump.
Don't. It's because this is a major kickback. This is a 40. So right now you're shooting a 40. So you see the kickback?
Oh, so like riding around with the 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you see how I got the kickback, right? So you gotta keep your hands steady. You can't be like,
Okay.
because then you can make a mistake and hit somebody.
See, I'm not
So-
playing these games.
That's why you gotta.
Is everybody over there okay?
Everybody is fine. Everybody is fine. That's why you gotta stand sturdy and hold it tight,
Okay.
and just let it go.
Are you sure?
You sure?
I'm scared. You okay?
That's just the shell.
I thought it got you.
See, you see the logo at the bottom?
Oh, that was me?
That's you.
Oh, yeah.
You ain't hit the target.
Oh.
You gotta hit that. You gotta hit that.
That's why I'm getting kind of scared. I don't want that to hit me in the face.
Well, it's gonna hit you.
It's gonna shoot me like...
No, it's a shell. It's just a bullet. It's a shell.
It's not gonna burn me or kill me.
It
No.
might
But it's gonna kill me.
No, it's a shell. It's not gonna kill you. Is
I'm-
you comfortable? First of all, get your hand off that trigger until you're ready. And you holding it wrong.
Okay.
The safety is wrong. Look, you gotta hold it like this.
Okay. You shoot it.
Like that. I like that. See, I only hit him in the shoulder.
So where I hit him?
Down here.
I at least got him in the dick.
Right here. I'm up here. But your good target is the trying to hit him right there.
Oh, so we're gonna try this one more time. Or 2 more times, baby. That's so far away. Is it supposed to be that far?
Well, you wanted the farther the better. You don't want to shoot nobody close up. Like when you shoot somebody close up, you know you got your target.
I know.
So,
I don't know what might happen. It might be close.
right. That's why when they far away, you know, wow, you got them. Either if you hit them in the leg, shoulder, you know.
I don't plan on going on no killing spree. Yeah, fix it.
It is.
The safety on?
Yeah. It's waiting on you. Now I'm gonna step back and let you do it.
How many?
You gotta do it one at a time. So it's one at a time.
Nobody else gonna get hit.
Nobody's gonna get hit. I'm gonna let you have this whole booth right now. So you can be comfortable.
All right, how many?
One at a time.
Right. Okay, but 3 total.
But you can do three. You ready?
Yeah.
How you gonna hold it? How you gonna hold it?
Like this.
Okay.
Guys, all right?
Yep, we got
okay,
it.
just checking.
Ready?
Like this, right? Feet sturdy.
Feet sturdy. Tight hand off the trigger up here.
Like Detective Stabler. Hold his gun. From SVU.
Basically. And then you hit your target. You line it up. When you're ready, and the safety's still on. So when you're ready, you just click this down. That's the
Click
safety
it down.
off. Okay, I'm gonna step back. 1, 2, 3. All right, you want some more? You
Is
done?
he shot or not? Because I don't get it.
You set it down when you finish. Put the safety back on. Come back. Blow yourself up. You got one right here.
Oh.
But the rest of them, you see where the rest of them at?
Oh.
I'm gonna go first time shooting.
Well, at least I got him in his arm, huh?
Yeah, you did
At least I
good.
disarmed him.
Yeah.
Something police officers can't do.
Yep.
If I can give you a tip, when you go to do it, no, I'm over here. This one's empty. When you square up, square up to it. See how my toes are pointed forward? And square up. Just keep it about shoulder level.
Yep.
And what you want to do is barely squeeze here, like this, and pull your left hand tight around it, so you're barely holding the gun. And just square up to it. And what you're going to do is more of the tip of your fingers. You're trying to put your whole finger.
Finger in there, yeah.
A little more of the tip of the finger, and don't snap it. Go pull straight through, and when you pull through, well, this is empty, look, okay? And when you pull through it, you want to do this. All the way through, see? See how I'm going smooth?
Okay.
You're trying to go like
This.
this.
Bow,
You're trying
yeah.
to snap. And what you're doing is you're pulling the gun. So what you want to do is square up, hold straight. See how the front of my gun doesn't move? See?
Okay.
Pull through it. You're trying to snap it.
So like this.
You gotta be comfortable.
You got to be comfortable. Or you point your feet straight at the target. Square your shoulders up. Square your shoulders up with the target.
Don't shoot shit.
Yeah, what you want to do is your hand. You got bullets in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Marks in a man.
For a second. What you're going to want, put your hand here. With your left. Squeeze with your left, barely hold with your right.
Squeeze with my left.
Squeeze with your left. You're going to go like this. See, I'm barely holding. You want to pull.
With my left.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm
you want
right-
to pull
I'm
with your
right.
left. Because it goes tight in your gun. You're taking less out of the equation. But if you squeeze with this one, when you pull, you're going to always constantly go to the right.
It's the
Make sure
safety
you
on.
hold tight. No. Want to put this finger on this one finger here. There you go.
The safety on too. Or I told you got to take it down.
You're going to want to line this dot, this dot, all go in a line. Center this dot with the center of these two.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
Everybody okay?
You're fine. You're anticipating the recoil before you shoot. That's why you're going down. Let the gun do what it's going to do. Getting closer.
I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah, you're anticipating the recoil before the recoil gets to you.
I'm just gonna stick to watching
See?
Fatal Attraction on TV.
See, that's
One.
what he does.
Good
Brandon
job.
Carter. That's what extraordinary.
Yeah, but that's all it is you're anticipating the recoil. You're trying to compensate the recoil before the recoil is there. So
So
you're
it's
already
like-
putting the gun down.
Is that mine?
Yep.
Oh.
See, you're getting closer. That's what I said.
That's
A
all
little
I
more
need.
practice and you'll be there. But that's your stance is kind of off. Thanks. Right?
You
Thank
did good. If you relax, you gotta.